how to switch to a professional account on Instagram. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to switch to a professional account on Instagram. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you are on the home page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. On your profile page, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. Scroll down until you find the option named Account Type and Tools, and tap on it. On this page, tap Switch to Professional Account. Instagram will now guide you through the setup process. You can select between a business account, which is ideal for brands and shops, or a creator account, which is great for influencers and personal brands. Follow the simple prompts, choose the category that best describes your work, and complete the setup. Once done, your account will now display professional tools such as insights and contact options. Switching only takes a few minutes and can always be reversed later if you change your mind. I hope this tutorial has helped you solve the issue. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to switch to a professional account on Instagram.